I know. I'm one recipe behind. I was doing a little bit too much turkey time, and then I went on a small road trip.
We'll blame it on my sister.
Yeah.
She came to town.
So the King Arthur Baking Company's all-purpose baking companion, I still owe you one recipe, but we do need to move on to December because it's now December and I'm even late announcing that, right? So I will be coming back to this hopefully next week. And, but today I want to tell you what I thought about this book so far, and I want to announce the Cookbook Club pick for December. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook Kitchen. So for November, we tried to conquer the King Arthur Baking Company's all-purpose baker's companion. And I have a lot to say about this book. I still owe it one recipe. I want to do the pitas that are in here, so we're going to be doing that. It was just my own.
Thanksgiving got in the way.
Everything got in the way, right?
Hallmark got in the way.
And then that purple KitchenAid mixer, I dropped that sucker right on my foot. I mean, all kinds of stuff happened.
We were supposed to film, and we went to Pittsburgh instead.
We went on a road trip. I mean,
that's in the future.
So it just didn't happen, right? Life causes that at times. Yeah. And I don't have a production schedule, so there we go. Sorry, but we're moving on. So we're going to talk about what I think about this book. So this is put out by King Arthur Flour, the company that makes King Arthur flour. They renamed themselves the King Arthur Baking Company. And this book has actually been out for a while, and this is the new and updated version. I actually got this book one Christmas, I think, or my birthday from my friend Cash. So thank you, Cash. He gave me this book, and I had a lot of fun with this book so far. None of my journeys of these books is ending after the Cookbook Club. So we started out making, why does the lemon meringue pie hate me? So I have been trying for more than 10 years to conquer the lemon meringue pie. The biggest problem is either the lemon curd doesn't set up right, or when you put the meringue on there, you get weeping under there. So when you cut a piece, it's just...
It looked good until I put it in the refrigerator. The next morning, garbage.
Right?
Garbage.
Looked great until you cut it, right? Because you try to take a piece, and then that filling just... Right? And then there's a bunch of liquid underneath. Not horrible, but it tastes amazing, right?
It was tasty.
Every single lemon meringue pie I have made tastes beautiful, but it doesn't sit up nice and proper, smiling at you, right? Like you see fancy lemon meringue pies that come off of the production line, which I think they probably use gums and stabilizers to keep that from doing that. And they probably make the meringue in a dish totally separate. They set it on top of there, right?
Do something.
Whatever they're doing, they're putting something in there that's probably not that great to eat. So I didn't have much luck with this recipe that's in here. And after looking at on their website, they have that recipe on their website, and it gets like a 3.8, 3.5, something like that.
A lot of people are like us. They were.
Yeah. So we are still at it trying to get a good lemon meringue pie. So the following week, we moved on to their chewy chocolate chip cookies. Those were tasty. So I have a few left. Eric actually put them in the freezer. These were good, weren't they, Eric?
I forgot. I forgot, Boo. I have short memory span these days because I'm getting older, right? But I shaved today so I can be on camera. Oh, it's soft. Even after the freezer, they're still winners.
Still tasty. So I think Eric really liked those cookies. Mm-hmm. So then we made the carrot cake. And because I can't eat the cream cheese, I just made a standard buttercream frosting that was also from this book. Fantastic. It was an amazing tasting cake. My decorating skills weren't all that great, but the cake was delicious, right? That was a winner. So what do I have left that I want to do? I want to make the pitas out of this book to totally wrap it up. But for right now, this book is a buy. This book is a buy. No doubt you should have this in your cookbook library. This book is a winner. Just don't make the lemon meringue pie. So the question is, what are we going to do going forward? We're always moving forward, right?
Wow. I feel like it's a Groundhog Day, so it's Beaver Day.
It's Beaver Day. So we're always moving forward, right? Always moving forward as a cook. Even if you get a fail, brush it off and move on. Easier said than done, but we can do that. So since we have Christmas coming around, I wanted to do something that was kind of Christmas related. And I always think of November being pies because of Thanksgiving, Christmas being this that we're going to be making. Pies are also Christmas. Pies are actually every day, right? Everyday pies. But I chose something that's quintessential Christmas that we're going to do for December. So to me, there's nothing more Christmas than cookies. So we are going to revisit Brian Hart Hoffman, who is with the Baking from Scratch series. He has a book out called Holiday Cookies, more than 100 very merry recipes. Cooks, we're baking cookies for December. Yay! So this book looks kind of amazing. Just look at the cover, right? Classic Bake from Scratch kind of cover. Beautiful. Bisky.
Oh, God, Bisky. I got to think poppin' fresh.
Name my thing. First it was Ryan, now it's Brian.
No, Randy.
Oh, Randy. Now it's Brian.
A Bisky, that reminds me of poppin' fresh. Hey, poppin' fresh.
Brian. Brian actually kind of fits him.
Bisky.
So here's the book, Holiday Cookies. His books are always amazing. Every single recipe that we made out of his other books was fantastic. Fantastic. So the subjects we will be covering is chocolate cheer, holiday hits, boozy and bright, around the world, spice is nice, big on bars, stellar sandwich cookies, cookies that snap, crumbly and crisp, right? Very nice, nice. Here he is, the man of the hour, Brian Hart Hoffman.
This might be a tough book to
tough book to crack?
To sample.
Yeah, terrible, terrible. Look at those, jam-filled. I'm not going to pronounce it. Those look like thumbprints, kind of, but in a different shape. Danish butter cookies, pearl sugar, chai spice, cinnamon swirl cookies with maple butter frosting.
I don't know. We'll just have to make it.
Biscotti, all kinds. Pumpkin spice whoopie pies.
Hello.
Hello, Brian. Hi. Holiday cookies it is. It's Christmas. It's time for cookies. That's going out, but we're not quite finished with it. This is coming in. Looking forward to it. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned. We got some cookies to make. Thanks for joining me.